Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these amazing peanut butter cookies.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So we are just going to get started. This is a super easy recipe that is gluten-free, sugar-free, salt-free, oil-free too. So what I have here is a cup of oats that I just ground down in the blender until it turned into a flour. I have 1 flax egg, which is a tablespoon of flax meal with 2 tablespoons of water, and I just let it sit for about 5 minutes. So this recipe is so easy. Really, you just put everything in the blender or in the food processor, let it go, roll them out and bake them. So it's super good, super quick and easy. What I have here is a teaspoon of vanilla powder, but you can use vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 cup of dates. 1 cup of peanut butter. And this is also salt-free, oil-free, sugar-free peanut butter. And I get mine from Trader Joe's. But you can also get it from Whole Foods. You know those machines that grind up the peanut butter? You can get it from there. Or there's several brands out now that are salt-free and sugar-free and oil-free. What you want to be aware of are the ones that say easy stir, because they almost always have added oil, and it's usually palm oil, which you really don't need to be eating. And this is 1/4 cup of water. We're just gonna mix this stuff up. Okay, that's just perfect. You could see that, the texture of that. It's great. And you wanna get it so that it's, you can touch it and it sticks together. So if it doesn't stick together yet, let it mix for a little while longer. Or you could add just like a tablespoon of water. But even really, if you just let it mix for a bit longer, it usually starts coming together at some point. So we are just gonna grab these out and roll them into balls. And I have a cookie sheet here just lined with parchment paper, or you could use those nifty Silpat. I think it's like a silicone liner that's for pans. I just don't happen to have one yet. Maybe that's something I should invest in. And I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And the full recipe will be in a link in the details below. And also a link to our website, which has hundreds of wonderful delicious plant-based recipes. So be sure to check them out, because there's a lot of delicious stuff out there that you need to try. Okay, so this made 1 dozen cookies. And I'm just gonna put another piece of parchment paper and I'm gonna lightly press down on top. I don't wanna squish them down completely because we're gonna make that handy dandy little fork pattern on the top. And I'm just gonna press them down just a little bit. Okay, maybe a little more there. Okay, and the rest we're gonna do with a fork. So you wanna do one this way and then this way, like a plus mark or a cross. That gives it that real classic peanut butter cookie look. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna stick these in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then we get to eat them. Okay guys, they are fresh out of the oven. And they smell so good. They're still a bit hot, so I'm just gonna break 1 in half here. And I've got a nice cold glass of almond milk. So delicious. And so safe, sugar-free, oil-free, gluten-free. You're just gonna love it. I'll see you next time.